Hey guys, so I did an update on these raised beds the other day, and I thought it just rained, so it would be a good time for a quick little update on the work that I've gotten done on it so far. If you've read my post, I did just a post, not a video, about what's been going on in my life recently. I recently had a baby, and so that's why I went MIA for a little bit. So I'm not going to be able to do a ton of gardening this year, but I want to do at least a few shorts here and there on the things that I am able to get done in the garden. So there probably won't be many long form videos this year. And I am taking the year off from farmers markets this year for selling vegetables and cut flowers. But I am still going to be doing some gardening as I have time, as the baby naps and things. So anyways, I got this bed completely free of all the weeds, and this bed free of all the weeds. I transplanted some snapdragons that I started from seed earlier this year. Unfortunately, my neighbor's dog, they let it jump the fence and run across the highway over into our yard, and it dug up a lot of these, and then I had to try to replant them, and you can see like some are laying over and aren't recovering. And then I planted some seeds in between all the snapdragons, and so they're probably scattered everywhere. I had my husband fashion these lattices, and then I thought I had twine, but I didn't. All I have is this really thick rope. So I'm going to go to the store today to get some twine to do on the shorter ends to try to protect it until the plants get bigger. This side, I have 2 hills of watermelon and then a few sunflowers. I figured the watermelon could grow like lower and sprawl out, and then the sunflowers could grow up tall, and I would be able to kind of get 2 crops in this one bed. And then down here I pulled some of the weeds out of these. I had planted strawberries in both of these beds kind of late in the season, and so I wasn't able to keep up with the weeding on these beds like I was the 4 square beds behind me. This one ended up doing a lot better. I'm not sure why. They both got overran with weeds, but you can see this one's a lot more thicker and fuller, and this one not so much. But I got a lot of the weeds pulled out of there. And then down here I just put some pumpkin seeds in this grow bag. I've got to move it to another area to where it can like really sprawl out. And then this is just an elderberry I purchased last year that I have in a grow bag. I purchased an elderberry and some blueberries. One of the blueberries is still alive, but it's not doing great. So now all I have left, that one I covered with that plastic to try to keep the weeds down, and it's done a great job. But I'm going to leave that there till I'm ready to plant that. And then this is being overtaken with mint, mojito mint. Got to get that out of there. And then that's about it. So yeah, quick little update on what I've gotten done so far. And that'll be it for this one. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.